Hello, is this the library?
Yes, welcome here.
Can I get a library card?
Yes, right here, please.
Is it free to get?
Yes, completely free.
What do I need?
Just your ID, please.
Can I borrow books today?
Yes, of course.
How many books can I borrow?
Up to 5 books.
How long can I keep them?
2 weeks maximum.
Can I renew them?
Yes, once online.
Where are the English books?
Second shelf, left side.
Is there a reading area?
Yes, in the back.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, very quiet.
Can I use Wi-Fi here?
Yes, it is free.
What is the password?
Ask me anytime.
Is there a study room?
Yes, upstairs on left.
Can I reserve it?
Yes, 1 day ahead.
How long can I stay?
As long as you need.
Is the library open daily?
Yes, every day.
What time do you open?
We open at 9.
What time do you close?
We close at 8.
Are you open on weekends?
Yes, shorter hours though.
Do you have children's books?
Yes, special children's section.
Where is that section?
Far left corner there.
Do you have audiobooks?
Yes, on our website.
Can I access them online?
Yes, with library card.
Do you have ebooks too?
Yes, many ebooks available.
How do I access them?
Download our library app.
Is the app free?
Yes, completely free.
Do you have history books?
Yes, large history section.
Where is the history section?
3rd row, right side.
Do you have science books?
Yes, many science books.
Can you recommend one?
Yes, this one is great.
Is it for beginners?
Yes, very easy read.
Can I borrow it now?
Yes, I will scan it.
Do I need to sign anything?
No, just your card.
How do I return books?
Dropbox at entrance.
Can I return after hours?
Yes, Dropbox available.
Will I get a fine?
Only if very late.
How much is the fine?
Just $1 daily.
Can I pay online?
Yes, on our website.
Is there a lost book fee?
Yes, replacement cost only.
Do you have rare books?
Yes, in special collection.
Can I see them?
Yes, with staff help.
Are they very old?
Some are hundreds old.
Can I touch them?
With gloves only, please.
Do you have maps here?
Yes, historical maps available.
Where can I find them?
Reference section, second floor.
Is the second floor open?
Yes, always open.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, near the entrance.
Do you have study materials?
Yes, many study guides.
Do you have grammar books?
Yes, many grammar books.
Are they good for beginners?
Yes, perfect for beginners.
Can you show me one?
Yes, follow me, please.
Is this a good one?
Yes, very popular book.
Can I borrow 2 books?
Yes, up to 5.
Do you stamp the due date?
Yes, inside back cover.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, printed automatically.
Do you send reminders?
Yes, by email or text.
Can I update my contact?
Yes, at this desk.
Do you have a lost and found?
Yes, at front desk.
Is the library often busy?
Mornings are usually quiet.
What is the busiest time?
After school, around 3.
Can I study here alone?
Yes, many quiet spots.
Is food allowed inside?
No, only water allowed.
Can I bring my laptop?
Yes, many power outlets.
Is there good lighting?
Yes, very good lighting.
Do you enjoy working here?
Yes, I love books.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.